I want to show you this robotic pool vacuum cleaner that was sent to me. This is made for in-ground or above-ground pools. I'm going to use it in a 24-foot above-ground pool. A couple things on this that I really like. It's going to run up to about 3 hours, depending on which mode that you put it in. It's got like 4 modes on here. One of them is a custom mode that if you connect your phone app to it, you can even do more modes. You can do scheduling, all that sort of stuff. We're just going to put it in here on the main full mode and watch it climb a wall. A couple things. It's got what they call, you'll see it listed as Caterpillar tires. I call these bulldozer tires or tank style tires. These will help it get up and down different inclines and declines. Also helps it climb the walls for you. It makes it lighter too. This is one of the lightest robotic pool vacuum cleaners I've ever tested. I do notice as well that these are thicker than I've seen. So they got really nice, good traction on it. On this side here, you've got your scrubbing brush. This is kind of a rubbery sort of material, PVC style. This is going to agitate anything that's on the pool floor or the walls and the water line, and then suck it into the basket. And on your basket, it's right here. It's kind of interesting the way it pops out. You just kind of push that, pull that out. And then inside here, you'll have your debris basket. That's a bottom loading sort of thing, unloading. You just kind of let it fall out. And you've got this little sponge style filter in here that you can change out and clean and stuff like that. And that will lock back into place. It charges here on this port here. Make sure that's covered when you're using it. And then, as I said, you've got these 4 different ones here. Maybe you can see this one says full, turbo, eco, and then custom. Custom, like I said, you set that within the app. Full is going to clean the walls and the floors. Turbo is going to be the higher level of suction, only on the floors. Eco is going to be only the floors, but a lower level suction, so you get a full 3 hours. So let's turn it on. So we heard it beep, and then now we got to select our mode. See how it's flashing? We're going to do full mode. Now from here, you need to put it in the pool, and I prefer you to dunk this. Let it get where it's full of water, where it'll kind of go away from your hand and just sink very easily to the bottom. That gets it full of water quicker and gets it ready to start cleaning. You don't have to worry about any issues of it, running without water inside it. All right, see, it kicked on just then. See all the bubbles coming up. So what it's going to do right when you turn it on, it's going to start trying to figure out where it's at. Like, what kind of pool am I in? Also depends on what setting you have set in the app, where you want it to be like a crisscross or an S pattern, those kind of things. All right, so it's found the wall, and now it's going to come up out of the wall here. See, what it's doing there is it's going to clean that water line as it comes out, coming in up and down a few times. So if you've got like debris on there, if you've got a water line, this is going to help loosen all that and get it sucked into the vacuum. Now it's going back up the wall again. Because we have it in full mode, it's going to do the walls first. Spend about half the battery life going back and forth cleaning your walls, and then it'll spend the second half of the battery line cleaning the floor. As it goes across the floor, it will be picking up any leaves, any debris that it happens to run over. Now, this isn't like looking and seeing where the dirt and stuff is. It's just going to go back and forth in whatever pattern you've set inside the app. And it's going to do this for, when you have it in full mode, you're probably going to get about 2.5 hours out of it, depending on your battery charge. So we're going to let it run. There's a lot of stuff on the bottom here. And we'll come back and we'll check it later on and see what the results are. So the vacuum has finished its cleaning. It's parked over here against the sidewall. The pool looks nice and clean. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your hook to one of your poles that you have, and then just pull it up. It's real easy to grab this. This is actually a pretty light unit. And then once you do get it, held on to, what I always recommend doing is just kind of holding it to the side of the pool for a minute. Not even a minute, like 10 seconds. Let all the water drain out. It's got that quick release on the front, and then we're gonna pop open the filter and see what we got. All right, so now all you'll do is you'll push this little button here, pops that up, and then you're gonna find out what you have inside of here. So you can see the screen is holding in a bunch of stuff. And then if you want to get inside it, you'll open it up, and then that's going to have all of your junk that you're going to want to go rinse out and clean out. So that's cleaned out. That will just kind of snap back together. But you also have this filter back here. And if you'll grab a hold of that like whole casing that it has, it'll kind of just pop out. And then you're going to want to rinse out anything that might have got stuck in it. Put this back in first. It kind of just goes down back there. And we'll just kind of pop in there, and then we'll put this piece back in. And then now this is ready to charge. Again, the charging port is down here. Just got to take that off, plug it in there. But I think this one does great on any kind of pool, any size of pool, whether it be in ground or above ground. And if you want to clean the walls, you have that ability for it to climb and clean the walls. So definitely one that you should consider.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that product review. Make sure, again, you click the link in the description if you want to go see what it looks like and see if it's on sale. Also, click that video down here. It's another product review that you're going to love, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a like.